Want to start your day feeling refreshed and energized? Here's a quick and effective morning stretch routine to kickstart your day the right way. Begin with a forward fold. Stand tall, then bend at your hips and let your arms hang towards your toes. This stretch wakes up your hamstrings, back, and shoulders. Hold for 15 seconds. Move into a cat-cow stretch. On all fours, arch your back towards the ceiling for cat. Then drop your belly and lift your head for cow. Alternate for 20 seconds to loosen your spine. Stand up and reach one arm overhead, leaning to the opposite side. This opens up your sides and relieves tension. Hold each side for 10 seconds. Sit down, cross your legs, and gently twist your torso to one side. Place one hand on your knee and the other behind you for support. Hold for 10 seconds on each side. This stretch improves mobility and wakes up your core. From all fours, push your hips back and up into a downward dog. Keep your heels reaching toward the floor and hold for 15 seconds. This energizes your entire body. Finish with gentle neck rolls. Sit comfortably and roll your head in a slow circle. Switch directions after 10 seconds. This releases tension and clears your mind. Just a few minutes of stretching can set the tone for a positive, productive day. Make this routine part of your morning and feel the difference. Thanks for joining. Like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Start your day the right way, every day.